Music serves learning. Music serves knowledge. Music serves education. Grapie Academy.
Yo, it's Concord History Grape.
Say hello. How? Let me state.
Greet people nice and clear.
Greetings.
Make folks dear.
Look them in the eye. Smile nice and high. Say hello or hi with care. Proper greetings everywhere.
Shake hands if it's new. Firm but gentle, good and true. Some cultures bow or hug.
Greetings.
It's no bug.
Hello, hi, nice to meet. Greetings always sweet. Smile and eye contact too. Greet warmly for you.
First impressions count a lot.
Greet nicely hits the spot.
Greet adults with Mr. or Mims.
Respect.
No miss. Greet teacher kindly each morn.
Greetings never worn.
Greet family warmly too. Love and respect.
What to do?
Friends get casual hellos.
Greeting everyone as it goes.
You can greet nicely each day.
Good manners.
The way.
Hello, hi, nice to meet. Greetings always sweet. Smile and eye contact too. Greet warmly for you.
First impressions count a lot.
Greet nicely hits the spot.
Now you know greetings right.
Hello.
Always bright.
Smile, eye contact, be polite.
Greetings. Good night.
Concord out.
Yo, it's Concord History Grape.
Good listeners, how? Let me state.
Listen well, show care.
Listening everywhere.
Eyes on person speaking, ears open, no peeking. Don't interrupt the mid-sentence.
Listening shows your presence.
Nod to show you understand.
Listen with heart in hand.
Don't plan what you'll say.
Listen each word they weigh. Listen, focus, show you care.
Active listening everywhere.
Eyes, ears, heart engaged.
Listening.
Turn the page.
Respect through listening well.
Hear the stories you tell.
Ask follow-up questions nice.
Listening, worth the price.
Repeat what you heard clear.
Active listening, crystal clear.
Don't check phone when friend talks.
Listening, respect walks.
Put down toys or games.
Listening, pure fame.
You can listen actively,
Friends appreciate you.
gleefully.
Listen, focus, show you care.
Active listening everywhere.
Eyes, ears, heart engaged.
Listening.
Turn the page.
Respect through listening well.
Hear the stories you tell.
Now you know active listen.
Eyes and ears that glisten.
Full attention.
No phone.
Active listening's tone.
Concord out.
Yo, it's Concord History Grape.
Taking turns.
Why? Let me state.
Fair for everyone to share.
Turn taken
Everywhere.
when you play with friends or game.
Take turns.
Don't be ashamed. One person goes, then another.
Turn taking with sister, brother.
Count to 10 or use a timer.
Turn taking higher, higher.
Wait your turn patiently,
Fair play.
sincerely.
Turns take fair for all. Everyone gets the ball.
Wait your turn, then it's you.
Turn taking pure and true.
Respect others' waiting turn.
Fair play. Never spurn.
Slides, swings, and talking to.
Turn taking
Good to do. Rock, paper, scissors. Decides.
fair way.
No divides.
Board games have turn order.
Roll dice and make your border.
Hug
turn taking.
Show you care.
You can share with turns.
Fair, everyone earns.
Turns take, fair for all. Everyone gets the ball.
Wait your turn, then it's you.
Turn taking.
Pure and true.
Respect others' waiting turn.
Fair play.
Never spurn.
Now you know turn taking fair.
Everyone gets a share.
Wait and play fair with care.
Turn taking.
Everywhere.
Concord out. Yo, it's Concord History Great.
Sharing happy.
Why, let me state.
Share makes everyone glad.
Sharing's never bad. Share toys with friends who play. Makes their good day. Share snacks with those who need. Sharing is a kind deed.
Books shared with many readers. Sharing makes the leaders.
Clothes outgrown.
Share, donate.
Sharing.
Don't wait.
Share, happy, everyone glad. Sharing's never bad.
Toys and snacks and clothes too.
Sharing just for you. Even sharing feelings nice.
Sharing.
Worth the price.
Sharing ideas and your time.
Sharing is truly sublime.
When you share with others.
Build strong bonds.
Sisters, brothers.
Sometimes hard to share your favorite.
Breathing deep.
Take a minute.
Sharing doesn't mean you lose.
Sharing.
Always choose.
You can share today. Sharing makes the way.
Share, happy, everyone glad. Sharing's never bad.
Toys and snacks and clothes too.
Sharing just for you. Even sharing feelings nice.
Sharing.
Worth the price.
Now you know sharing heart.
Makes you great right from the start.
Share and everyone wins.
Sharing kindness begins.
Concord out. Yo, it's Concord History Grape.
Say sorry. Why? Let me state.
Hurt someone, apologize. Sorry makes it right, prize. If you accidentally hurt or were mean, don't shirk. Look them in the eye.
Say I'm sorry. Don't be shy.
I'm sorry for what I did. Specific, not a skid.
How can I make it right?
Apology. True insight.
Sorry, say, mean it true.
Apologies fix what you do.
Look them in eye and speak.
Apology.
Don't be weak.
Everyone makes mistakes.
Sorry always takes.
Don't just say sorry if not true.
Mean your apology through.
Actions show you really care.
Fix what you damaged. Share.
Forgiveness heals both hearts.
Apology. Good start.
When others hurt you,
Forgive.
apology makes love live. You can apologize sincerely,
Apology truly.
yearly.
Sorry, say, mean it true.
Apologies fix what you do.
Look them in eye and speak.
Apology.
Don't be weak.
Everyone makes mistakes.
Sorry always takes.
Now you know, sorry's roll
Heals the hurt.
makes whole.
Sincere apology fixes much.
Sorry, the right touch.
Concord out.
Yo, it's Concord History Grape.
Respect elders.
Why, let me state. Older folks have lived a lot. Elder respect hits the spot.
Grandparents, teachers, adults. Respect the bright results. Listen when they share stories. Elder wisdom glories.
Offer seat on crowded bus. Elder respect, no fuss. Use polite words with them.
Elder respect gem.
Elder respect, wisdom shared.
Show you always cared.
Listen, help, polite words.
Elder respect brings rewards.
Wisdom comes with many years.
Elders
No fears.
help grandparents carry bags.
Elder respect.
No lags.
Visit and call them often.
Elder respect never soften.
Learn from their life story.
Elder respect brings glory.
Different cultures respect elders.
More than today's.
Elders.
You can respect elders now.
Elder respect.
Take a bow.
Elder respect, wisdom shared.
Show you always cared.
Listen, help, polite words.
Elder respect brings rewards.
Wisdom comes with many years.
Elders.
No fears.
Now you know elder respect,
Wisdom earned.
not neglect.
Listen, help, and honor true.
Elder respect.
Just for you. Concord out.
Yo, it's Concord History Grape.
Eat nicely. How? Let me state.
Table manners at the meal. Good behaviors.
Keep it real.
Wash hands before you eat. Napkin on your seat. Wait for everyone to sit.
Good manners. Every bit.
Chew with mouth closed tight.
No talking with food in sight.
Please pass salt, not grab.
Table manners.
Non-drab.
Table manners, eat nicely.
Family meals.
Go lightly.
Chew with mouth closed wrapped.
Table manners. Never capped.
Pass food and say please.
Table manners with ease.
Don't start until everyone's served.
Good manners.
Reserved. Use fork and knife right way.
Chopsticks in Asia way.
Say thank you after meal.
Table manners.
The deal.
Clear your plate. Help clean up.
Table manners.
Fills cup.
You can have good table manners.
Family meals.
No banners.
Table manners, eat nicely.
Family meals. Go lightly.
Chew with mouth closed wrapped.
Table manners. Never capped.
Pass food and say please.
Table manners with ease.
Now you know table manners.
Family meals.
No banners.
Chew closed and say please.
Table manners with ease.
Concord out.
Yo, it's Concord History Grape.
Patience, why? Let me state.
Waiting calmly is a skill.
Patience.
Great and still. Waiting in line at the store.
Patience keep you even more.
Don't push or complain loud.
Patience.
Wait proud. Waiting for food to be cooked.
Patience. No strange look.
Big things take time to grow.
Patience. Let skills flow. Patience. Wait. Calmly grow.
Patience helps you flow.
Wait in line without a fuss.
Patience bus.
Virtue. Patience true.
Waiting.
It's for you.
When learning something new.
Patience.
It comes through.
Mistakes are part of learning.
Patience while you're yearning.
Friends need patience too.
Patience gifts.
True.
Breathe deep if getting mad.
Patience makes you glad.
You can practice being patient.
Patience.
The advantage.
Patience, wait, calmly grow.
Patience helps you flow.
Wait in line without a fuss.
Patience bus.
Virtue. Patience true.
Waiting.
It's for you.
Now you know
Patience serves.
life's big curves. Waiting.
Stay calm through.
patience.
just for you.
Concord out. Yo, it's Concord History Grape.
Kind words, why? Let me state.
Kindness helps everyone you see.
Kind words, the key.
Good morning brightens day.
Kind words go a long way.
I like your shirt, makes friends smile.
Kind words go the mile.
You can do it, encourages.
Kind words, no storages.
Thank you, appreciation shown.
Kind words,
Well known.
kind words help everyone. Kindness second to none.
Compliments and please.
Kindness with such ease.
Small words, big impact.
Kindness is a fact.
Don't gossip or say mean.
Kind words, the best scene.
Think before you speak always.
Kind words pave the ways.
Asking, are you okay?
Kind words every day.
Apologize if wrong.
Kind words,
Right along.
you can be kind with words,
Kindness.
no swords. Kind words help everyone. Kindness second to none.
Compliments and please.
Kindness with such ease.
Small words, big impact.
Kindness is a fact.
Now you know kind words key.
Helping you and me.
Small sayings, big impact.
Kindness, that's a fact.
Concord out.
Yo, it's Concord History Great.
Manners world,
How? Let me state.
different cultures, different ways. Etiquette varies the days. Japanese bolo polite, rude to point, direct sight. American shake hands firm, eye contact.
Good term.
Chinese belching sometimes okay, shows food was good that day. Indians eat with right hand, left.
Unclean stand. Manners world, different ways. Etiquette, every place.
Bow, shake or belch.
Each unique, different manners seek.
Respect cultures,
Different rules,
etiquette.
tools,
Taking off shoes in Japan before entering home.
plan.
Middle East eat with right hand, different manners understand.
Some cultures loud, some quiet. Different cultures.
No quiet,
Learn before you visit a place.
etiquette.
Show your face.
You learn different manners too. World etiquette for you.
Manners world, different ways. Etiquette, every place.
Bow, shake or belch.
Each unique, different manners seek.
Respect culture,
Different rules,
etiquette.
tools.
Now you know manners,
Very,
cultural etiquette.
merry.
Respect different ways to meet.
Manners.
World's feet.
Concord out.